Peace, family. Peace, 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 peace. Okay, honey, we back with another one. Okay, we at the damn Dollar Tree. Okay, girl. All right, I was a little afraid because I ain't see no damn body else here. Okay, it's like one car literally here. Okay, honey, it's literally empty. Okay, I mean, the universe was like, girl, go get that damn notebook. Okay, if you guys don't know, I am hosting a 30-day class with positive thinking. Okay, if you are interested, you can send me an email. This class will be via Zoom. Okay, so if you want a mindset, if you want to shift, if you tired, okay, of receiving the same exact thing in life, okay, and you think this class is for you, honey, send me an email. Okay, we doing it for 30 days, but first you will need a notebook, and that's why we are here. Okay, family, honey, this is, when I tell you this is empty, ooh, child, it's empty. Okay, oh, child, look at this. Ain't no, is one person. Well, besides the workers, I did see a man. Oh gosh, people starting to come, honey. We gotta go. Okay, I did see a man with a basket who was here. Okay. Oh, this is good. What time you guys open? I like it like this. What time do you guys open?
We open at 8.
8. Oh, this is good.
On Sunday.
On Sunday. Okay, thank you. Okay, so first off, I'm trying to see because my children, they had this thing for their school coming up for St. Patty's Day, and so I'm gonna get them some stuff from here. But let's see what they have. First of all, okay, honey, we getting this notebook, okay? Because we doing the damn thing, okay? All right, so let me see what notebook. Ooh, child, they got some good. No, ooh, child, you better get in here and come get it, okay? Who ain't fin? Now, the only thing about this notebook, it doesn't have lines, okay? And I like the lines in the notebook, okay? They don't have no lines, but we could get something. Let's see about this. Wait, hold on now. Okay, wait, hold on now. I think we on something. Oh, child. Okay, we are strong, okay? Okay, Dollar Tree coming. No, they didn't. No, they did not do this. They did. Now, I was going to show you guys this, but this says hope, okay? Like Dick Gregory said, hope ain't going to pay your goddamn bills, okay? Okay, in the words of Dick Gregory. Honey, you make me happy. Now, you guys know, okay, I done said time and time again, happiness comes from within, okay? And happiness is a choice. There's not a such thing. If you are putting conditions on your happiness, that's not really happiness, okay? So I'm going to get this, okay? Because you know who make me happy? Me, okay? I'm going to get this in the colors, okay? Very good, okay? Let's see. Okay, and it got lines in here, $1.25. So we going to put this in the bag, okay? Now, I done told I guess the guy who is the manager on duty here or whatever it is, okay, I done told him I'm a content creator. So when you see me with this bag, honey, don't look at me like you think I'm stealing, okay? Because I'm putting the stuff in the bag, okay? And so we gonna go with some pens. I said I was in here for one thing only, okay? I was looking at this pen, but I don't think I'm gonna get this because it says fast drying, and I like these type of pens, okay? So I'm gonna get these, okay, and let's see what else. Oh, I need some rags, okay, and what else I need up in here? Oh, thank you. What else I need up in here? Oh, so ooh girl, okay. Now, my youngest son, the other day, I was inside of TJ Maxx, okay, and I needed to get him some socks. But the socks, I was like, no, we could get some socks another day. But we gonna go with these Avatar socks. I told you guys, Dollar Tree coming from somebody, okay? Now, I don't know who they coming for, okay? But, honey, they coming for somebody, all right? Let's see what else they have. I'm going to show you guys what else they have over here. Okay, so they have, the board games. Who remember Monopoly back in the day? Okay, and what is this? Is this Sorry? I think. Oh, look at this. Okay, and then they have, what is this? Ted Lasso, and then they have the Avatar socks. Okay, so I got my son the Avatar socks, and they also have, honey, you could get some leggings from here. Okay, you talking about something you need a whole wardrobe, okay, to work out. Honey, you could get the darn leggings from there. Then they have these Avengers shirts. Okay, very nice. Very, very nice. What else they have? Oh, and I said I was gonna get one of these, the Bluetooth speaker. But what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to Five Below, probably next week, and I'm gonna get the speaker from Five Below. Okay, let me see what else. I need to get from here. All right, we have detergent. Oh, I'm gonna get some trash bags as well. Okay, so I had came across this over here, and you guys know, like, I love a good packaging. Okay, scent air freshener solid gel. I don't know what they smell like. One second, let's see. Yeah, it smells kind of cheapish. Okay, kind of cheapish. I'm not gonna get that. What else? Oh, I need garbage bags, and then some blue rags. I could have even got my son's socks from over here. Oh, these socks over here. These Space Jam socks. And then the Star Wars. Honey, why would I pay the $5? Okay, honey, I could get him these socks. He'll like these socks better. But I'm trying to see if these too darn long. Okay. Wait, hold on now. No, I think I'm going to give him the Avatar socks because they $5 and 6 come in here. But I think he would like these better. You know what? I'm going to get him these. Because I just think that he'll like the Star Wars and the Space Jam socks better. So I'm going to go with these. So, honey, when I say I don't know if Dollar Tree is coming for PetSmart, Staples, or whomever, okay? Not the dog section, okay? Look at this. Look at this, okay? Honey, you better come on down here and get you your Fido, okay? Some dog toys from here. They have a whole goddamn section. Look at this. Wee pads and all, okay? Trays, bowls. Look at this. Mats. Honey, I don't know. I'm trying to warn you. I'm trying to tell you. Now, I remember I had got some wallpaper, something similar to this, but it's like more sturdy, from Home Depot. And I think that thing was, I don't know if it was like 10 something or $15. I had put it in my kitchen on a back wall. But these things, they would do too. These are good for $1, okay? Especially if you renting, okay? These are good. I like this one especially. All right. So I like these. Anything gold, okay? This is really nice. I like these little containers, these wire baskets. Very, very good. And these storage containers. So I told you guys before, right? Dollar Tree have a whole section with storage items. Okay, this is really, really good. Honey, not the hangers. Okay. Not the hangers. I'm gonna get me some hangers. Who remember dishing? Okay. Oh my goodness. I remember using these things. Honey. Oh, honey. Using these things and using these. Oh my goodness. Unhealthy. Okay. Especially if you're doing it like a lot. Okay. Ugh. All right. Honey, but do what works for you. Okay, boo? I ain't here to knock you. Okay, do what works for you. Okay, these bowls here. Oh, I like these. These are nice. Oh, they nice. And then they have like these mugs here. Sipper mug for your children. This is nice. I like this. Especially these bowls, child. They got the blue ones here, the green ones. This is nice. And then the little plates. Look at the little plates. The little plates. Oh, I like these. Ooh. These are nice. Okay, so they have some placemats. These must be new because I haven't seen the mats in here before. Let me see. Together we make a family. A family is patchwork of love. This is really nice. I like. Okay, so I am getting this. Ooh, flap ties. I am going to get these. I think these the same exact bags I got last time. 15 bags. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these. Now, before I was getting these, but it's only 5 in here and it don't make sense. When you could get the 15 bags that has 15 in there for $1.25. You're paying the same exact price, but the other box is more bags. Okay, so you guys know I love these rags, okay? These rags, oh my goodness. I stay getting these rags because they are so, so good. And then I'm trying to see what else I need. Okay. Oh, I definitely need one of these. Okay, for my toilet. And I don't really care for keeping one of those like in a bathroom, these things, because of the bacteria and stuff like that. I like getting the thing from Target, you know, those blue things, and you could attach it to the scrubber. Well, attach it to the stick, and you could clean your toilet, and then you could throw the thing out. I like those things. And I'm here for one more item. Okay, we are going to go with this right here. Okay, so that's pretty much it. And let's now go to the register.
Yeah, what line is that? Okay, that's more.
Where did it go?
Under there, genius.
Oh, that's nice.
Okay, family, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Okay, let me know what are some of the items that you normally get when you come here. Okay, all right, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Make sure you are rocking out. Make sure you are going, growing, and glowing. Until next time, peace.